That's also a crucial question that needs to be answered. All organizations have what we call key business drivers, without which the organization wouldn't be accomplishing the goals that they need to accomplish. So it's those very important things that the organization does in order to meet the needs of their customers, etc. So for example, if an organization wanted to have being global as one of their key business drivers, then what we do as far as leadership goes, we would identify those very, very important factors that we need in the organization to have, to be a global organization. We will develop a leadership strategy based on that. And then we're going to take a look at our current employees, our current leaders, and based on what we've identified, we're going to see where those gaps are. So as a result of identifying those gaps, we are better able to put a leadership development strategy together that meets the needs of the organization. So for example, we're going to take a look at the current state in regard to how many leaders do we have with those particular skills, experiences that we've identified. We will also identify what are those important leadership competencies that we need to have in order to be successful. For example, we want our leaders collaborating across the functional lines, across division lines, across product lines. We want them working together to achieve those business drivers' goals. So that's an example. We also want to ensure that people have the right experiences in regard to global. Perhaps we need people that need to speak different languages. Perhaps we need greater cultural sensitivity. So that's an example of how we would do that. But the most critical thing is when we look at it as a cycle, we identify our drivers, we identify the gaps, our strategy, we identify our leadership development strategy, and then we're going to put our programs into place. So what are we going to see as a result of that? We should be able to see a clear impact on our business strategy because we have that alignment clearly defined.